What's going on, guys? My name is Mark Wagner, and today I'm extremely happy to be sharing how I'm going to be saving about $200 a month by getting rid of Oberlo, and how you can too. Now, I know time is money, so as always, we're going to be hopping straight into the video. Let's go. Alright, so the reason why I'm going to be saving over $200 a month is because I'm replacing Oberlo with a free app created by Aliexpress called DSS. Now, I'm going to be sharing all the advantages that DSS has over Oberlo and showing you why you should switch if you have not already. Okay, so one of the biggest advantages of DSS is the price. I currently pay $80 a month for Oberlo because of the amount of orders that I have. Even if you don't have as many orders as I do, if you get over 50 orders a month, then you're going to be paying at least $30. DSS is free and will always be according to its developers. But the Oberlo fee isn't really the worst part. Remember when I mentioned over $200? That's because I'm paying over $100 a month for a virtual assistant to fulfill my orders. Because DSS is so great and takes so little time, I'm going to be able to fulfill orders myself, saving me collectively over $200 a month. That brings me on to my next advantage of DSS, which is the time. There's a bulk ordering function that basically allows you to order all of your products in under a minute. Now, I do foresee some problems with this, one of those being closed orders, because Aliexpress likes to close your orders when you spend over $500 at a time. Another problem that I'm not looking forward to is having to remember to fulfill orders every single day. I'm not used to that, and that's going to suck, but eventually I may just hire a VA to do it, because there's no way it'll be as expensive as it would to hire a VA to fulfill orders through Oberlo. Alright, so now let's take a look at what the app looks like as I explain some more features. Unfortunately, I can't show you around the entire app because you'll see all my products, but as you can see, there's a very nice checklist of things that you have to do to set up the app. It's very similar to Oberlo and the aspect that they have a Chrome app that allows you to import products straight from Aliexpress. It even lets you import your existing products from Oberlo so that you don't have to spend hours relinking all of your products. It does say that you can whitelist your account so that you don't get declined or closed orders on Aliexpress, which I have done, but they've still closed my orders, so hopefully they fix that soon. One really cool feature that DSS has is it allows you to set up custom shipping so that it's automatically selected for a country that you're ordering to. You can even set up secondary shipping if ePacket isn't available. Another awesome feature is that you can set up multiple suppliers for each product. So if one supplier runs out of stock, it'll automatically switch to the next one. Now I'm going to show you the quick video that they have that shows the bulk ordering function. As you can see, it allows you to select shipping and add tracking info right from the app. It's also insanely quick to purchase basically an unlimited amount of orders. If you look at the top, you'll also see that you can link this to multiple Shopify stores, which I really like and I really missed with Oberlo. The one disadvantage with DSS is that there's currently no integrated affiliate program like Oberlo and Shopify have, but I emailed their support and they should be releasing one in early March. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Personally, I'm super excited to be saving thousands of dollars a year and get a better fulfillment app at the same time. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.